Hello everyone, I am Yogita Alone, Faculty of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera. I welcome you all on 1 week short-term training program on tools and technique for efficient and effective teaching learning. Firstly, I want to give a sincere thanks to Dr. G.R. Bamnote, convener and head of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera, for giving me this opportunity to conduct the session on this platform. Due to pandemic of COVID-19, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on a digital platform. So this particular session is quite useful in this current situation. As you know, we are not able to conduct the physical classes, so next best thing we can do is to record the slideshow with the narration as a video in a PowerPoint, so that you can share that video on YouTube or any other platform, so your students can watch the presentation just the way you present to them in the physical classroom. Let's start with the session. The option of recording slide as a video in a PowerPoint presentation is available from version 2010 to 2019. For recording video lecture using a PowerPoint presentation, the first thing you need to do is to insert the new tab called the recording tab. Even if you have Office 365, you would see that the recording tab is not part of a default set tab. The simplest way to add this tab is to go to any of the tab here, right click on it, and you will find the two options. Go to customize ribbon option, and that will take you to this dialog box. You can see there are the quite few options are available. Some of them are checked and some of them are not. In this, I'm going to check the recording option, and that would added into new tab. So now I have a new tab called the recording tab. Let's click on it and let's get familiar with the options available under this recording tab. There are some options here that are really game changer. The first option is record slideshow, and the next is save as a show. We will understand it better as we go forward. For recording a video lecture using PowerPoint presentation, the first thing we need to do is to have a presentation ready. In this case, I got a 3-slide presentation. The first slide is an introduction slide, second slide is a simple diagram with an animation effect, and third is the simple bar chart without animation effect. For demonstration purpose, I have added a slide note here. So click on this slide note option, and you can see the note which I already written, because I am going to read this note as I do the recording. And all the slides have the notes. Let's click the option called record slideshow, and you can see the couple of options: record from the current slide and record from the beginning. Here I'm going to start with the record from beginning, and this window gets opened up. In this, the various tools are available. The first thing to note here is in the bottom right corner, you have an option for microphone and the camera. Here microphone plugin in this, that's why you can see this icon is on. If you want to go for a video recorder, then you have to turn on this camera mode. The best part of this is you can adjust the setting for your microphone and the webcam by going to this option setting. When you click on the drop down menu, you can adjust the setting for a microphones and same for setting for the camera. There are tools which allows you to write on the slide. You can see the option called pen. I can click on this option, write something on the slide, and click back, and that will record when you share the PPT as a video and the slideshow. Now you can click back again the same and get your cursor back. The another option you have called highlighter. You can click on this and you can highlight the certain aspects of the PPT. And this is the eraser. If you have written something on the slide, then you can erase it with this. You have a different color available that you can use for your pen as well as the highlighter. Now the next is, I want you to see this timer. The first one shows the duration of recording for the current slide, and the next one shows the duration for cumulative recording at a time. Then the option called note is here. Here you can click on this and here you can see the note, and this note is only visible to you. You can read from this note and your students won't see this notes. When you share them your video or a slide, you can adjust the font size by clicking on the note option here, so that you can read this easily. Then next option we have is a clear option. There are two options. In one is the clear recording on the current slide and clear recording on all the slides. We will talk about it when we do the recording. Then the next is, there are the three buttons. The first one is for record button, second is the stop button, and the next is the replay button. Okay, so now I will do the simple recording and I'm going to read the notes here, and I'm also going to use the pen and the highlighter on this slideshow. So let's hit the record button and you will see the number shown 231 and then the recording will start. Hello everyone, it is an introduction about video lecture using a PowerPoint presentation. So let's get familiar with the new feature of PowerPoint presentation. This is the animated slide. It consisting of a two step. The first step is adding the content and the next step is recording the content. This is the simple creative shape bar chart with the mirror effect on it. Now we have done recording. Now let's see how the recording plays. So I am going to go back first slide, and this is the best part about this. You can do the replay and see how your recording has been. So I'm going to click on the replay and click on the replay. Hello everyone, it is an introduction about video lecture using a PowerPoint presentation. So let's get familiar with the new feature of PowerPoint presentation. This is the animated slide. It consisting of a two step. The first step is adding the content and the next step is recording the content. This is the simple creative shape bar chart with the mirror effect on it. Now you can see the button color is changed here from blue to gray. Now let's assume that I'm not very happy with my recording for the second slide. Now I can always go back and record just for slide number 2. So let me show you how that is to be done. As I'm not happy with the second slide presentation, so I can go for the second slide, then go to clear menu, and I'll clear the recording on the current slide. Here you can see the recording is 00. Now you can again hit the recording button and record only for this particular slide. So that is how you can record the video lecture in the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.